What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about, of course, MMTLP, MMAT, and we're going to talk about a ticker symbol that we do videos on here and there, and that's going to be Genius Brands, ticker symbol GNUS. That's right, very bullish on that penny stock as well. All right, so first, let's take a look here at MMTLP. Was down 2.75%. The average volume on this is 617,000. We traded 954,000 shares. So we were above average, but we're not getting that volume we was getting around all the hype. So now we're going to wait for the S1 to get approved to get more of that hype train momentum. So this could be a good opportunity to buy shares like around these price. And if it dips more in a significant way, it's even a better opportunity to get your golden ticket for what's to come down the road on this. Now, let's take a look at the futures real quick. S&P futures is up 29.5 points for tomorrow. The Dow futures up 208 points. The NASDAQ futures are up 98 points. The Russell 2000 is up 13.8 points, and crude oil is barely green. So, looking pretty bullish for tomorrow. Look at MMAT today, up about 6% today. So, nice to see Metamaterials MMAT on a nice positive momentum today. And here you can see average volume's 5.9 million. We traded 9.8 million. So great volume came into Metamaterials today. Now, here's something I did want to show you guys. I've been doing the Google Trends, and they had this updated here. And you can see over the past 12 months, MMTLP. And if you look here from October 2nd through the 8th, it's a 17. And if you go from the 9th through the 15th, it's 100. So there you can see we have a lot of people interested in MMTLP now. And once this SEC comes out, and we may get another amendment, it may get the distribution date. But once that distribution date hits, tick-tock, the rats are going to scurry. And we're going to see a lot of craziness going on. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to be exciting. Now, keep in mind, guys, this ain't just a hype play, momentum play, a short squeeze. This has underlying assets for value. Keep in mind, 3.2 billion barrels of oil, over 134,000 net acres in the Oro Grande project. So we got WTI crude at $85.65, Brent crude at $91.83, and natural gas below $6 now, $5.95. All right, let's take a look at MMAT here on the Fintel. Days to cover is 0.91, so not much there. Going down here to look, short shares that is available is 65,000. That's great because MMAT is up about 6% today, and there's not many shares available here on Fintel to borrow. Short borrow fee is 8.31%, and they shorted here about 53.97% today, about 54% on the FINRA short volume ratio, and the total was 56.41 on the short volume ratio. I mean, as you can see, the aggregate total volume was 7.9 million, and they shorted 4.4 million. So they're still shorting the heck out of this play, guys. Keep that in mind. All right, so here's something very interesting. I got to give huge props here to Jamie Vincent, and huge props to him, man. So Nextbridge the website. Now, if you're an OG in this, you remember back that the original page was leaked for a while. So if anyone can, I can't seem to get it, but there's a website where you can pull it up before it went private, and it had all the breakdown of the 3.2 billion barrels of oil, the 134,000 net acres. I had the screenshots, but I'd love to pull up the website here and show it for new investors. So if anyone has that, please send me that link over on Twitter at TerryZ247 or email me at TerryZ24 at AOL.com. I got those links and information down below. But here you can see James Vincent here has this monitor website notification, and it's here for nextbridgehydrocarbons.com. Page not found, and it has 404. Here you can see it shows page not found. People was commenting on it, and I retweeted that going, very interesting. Because we know it's coming up here, guys. Here you can see. This is the first time the website has 404. There were a few times I was notified of service unavailable for a 503. Was nextbridgehydrocarbons.com deleted? And I retweeted that and saying, definitely interesting. So here you can see a screenshots. showing it's page 404, not found no more. Even closer here. The other 401. Here's the 503, 401s. You can see them right there. Now, here it shows a breakdown of what it means. A 404 error indicates that the web page you're trying to reach can't be found. You might see a 404 error because of a problem with the website, because the page was removed, or deleted because you typed the wrong URL. So there's a lot of speculation around that, guys, and I'm going to give my 2 cents of what I think it could be, and I hope I'm right. So like I said, I could be right or wrong, pure speculation, but some made a comment, and I agree with the comment they made on that post. And they said, you don't need a website if the assets are already sold. If there's a buyer ready to buy and there's a buyer already ready to go, you don't need the website because the buyer's already been doing what they need to do. They had that Tug Oil in there, doing that little bit of research and all, and they've probably been on this for a while, guys. The big buyer behind this has possibly been in there for a while, doing their own work and exploring this property. And if they already pretty much have an agreement and they just got to wait for it to get out of Metamaterials books and go on to Nextbridge hydrocarbons before that happens, this is why it's getting exciting, because I could be wrong. There could be other reasons behind it, but that's what I'm thinking. We already think there's a buyer ready. All right, so here we go. Metamaterials is going to be presenting at the LD Micro Main Event here in Los Angeles. Way to go, Metamaterials, man. They are just rocking it here as of late. So, like I said, guys, we got multiple plays here. Here you can see the Jonathan Waldron's going to be here at the AWEU. It's going to just so much stuff going on. So much stuff. All right. And here I wanted to pull this up. So I used that link there to get to the iBorrow desk. Here you can see currently there's 900,000 shares available of MMTLP at the end of the trading day today, and it's 23.6%. So someone did return some shares, because if we go back here to the 14th, there was only 2,000. And someone returned back to 1.1 million. And it was 33.5% to borrow at that point. And now we've been setting at 900. So someone took out 200,000, and there is 900,000 available. This is how they're doing those short tactics and everything like that, guys. So just keep that in mind. We know what we hold. We're not going anywhere, man. They can drive this price down. We're just going to buy more. All right. And I wanted to touch base on this here. Yeah, so a stock that I cover on the channel occasionally, ticker symbol GNUS, Genius Brand. Genius Brands announced a buyback of 419,336 common shares in a private transaction. So let's go check it out. Genius Brands announces buyback of common shares in a private transaction. So what happened here is the Harold and Jennifer Chiswick was a part of Genius Brands when Genius Brands acquired their company. And I guess the partnership just didn't work out. And Harold and Jennifer left or was fired, whatever happened is behind doors. We don't know. But they're not there no more. So Genius Brands has agreed, I guess through the courts, to buy all of their shares instead of letting those shares hit the market. And this is what I find very bullish of it. Not only did they rebuy the shares, and the shares here you can see, when this news came out, it jumped from 65 cents up to 72 cents. So a nice big jump there. And you can see for the day, the stock is up 4.76%. But that was a huge spike. I believe that was algorithm trading right there. They got that press release and it shot it up. So stock's trading at, what did I say, 66 cents. Well, Genius Brands agreed to buy back their 419,000 shares at $1.99 a piece, guys. So you're talking, that's almost a little over 3.5x the price right now. So they're saying we're going to buy those shares back from them previous employees there, and they're buying them back at $1.99 because, here you can see, Genius Brands spokesperson commented, "We believe the buyback of these outstanding shares is beneficial to our company and to our shareholders. It takes the shares out of the marketplace. Also, the significant premium to the market price, $1.99 per share, underscores our confidence in our rapidly growing business and future. This was a amicable statement. We are pleased with the outcome of the lawsuit." So there you go. And the people that on the other part of that lawsuit, they're happy to have it behind them, looking forward, moving on with positive in play. So there you go. Everyone seems to be happy. So those people, they went to court. They agreed to buy the shares back. That's great for us shareholders. Like I said, you can go back and check out previous videos I've done on Genius Brands as well. I went in and actually bought January 2025 options on this play. I also hold January 2024 options on this play as well. I'm buying them at the 50-cent strike because I just believe this company's putting out great quarterly earnings, great press releases, and it's just not getting no love because we're in a bear market. So when this baby takes off, man, it's going to be exciting stuff. Take a look here at the volume today too. And after hours, it went up another 1.15%. So up about 6% today as well as MetaMaterials was. Average volume is 2.2 million, and we traded over 6 million. So very bullish there. This is a nice play if you want to do some DD on it. Like I said, man, this play is really becoming like a little mini Netflix for children. And we got Shaq's Garage coming out here soon. Early next year, I believe, is going to be exciting. Yeah, if you don't have this play, go check it out. Watch previous videos. You'll get all that information. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Like I said, bullish on MMTLP, guys. Bullish, bullish, bullish. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.